Welcome back to another Is It Keto Friendly. So today's product is the Noshu Sugar-Free Choc Baking Chips. So this is a product that many people like to use in their baking goods, especially on the sugar-free option. So I thought it'd be a great one to run a test. So firstly, let's get the blood sugar and blood ketone level for today's baseline. And today's lead up has been very standard. I've had a fasted gym workout and it's about 2.5 hours post gym workout. So it'll be interesting to see what this blood sugar and blood ketone levels are at. So we've got the blood sugar at 4.6 millimole, so quite standard. And we've got the blood ketones at 1.3 millimole. So a great baseline for today's experiment. Now, the sugar-free choc baking chips. So the serving size today is 25 grams, but I'm actually going to do 2 servings. As you all know, I'm an extremist and I feel like 25 grams is only a tiny amount. So I've gone and measured out 50 grams into this cup. So let's have a little bit of a taste. Now, as far as chocolate goes, it's quite smooth, it's very pleasant, it's relatively sweet, but definitely not as sweet as a standard milk chocolate. But if you were to put this into a choc chip muffin or some kind of muffin like that, I feel like it would be a great product as far as the flavour profile goes. Definitely a pleasant chocolate as far as these no sugar chocolates go. Now, let's take a look at the nutritional profile. So, per 50 grams, we've got 262 calories. We've got 6.4 grams of protein, 19.4 grams of fat, and a claimed 5.8 grams of carbohydrates. Now you need to be aware that there's 18.6 grams of maltitol, which is a sugar alcohol, and this definitely does skew the numbers a little bit. So it's something to be aware of. Many people do have negative impacts from these sugar alcohols, so just be aware of that one. But like I always say, this is just an experiment and it tastes quite good, so let me have a few more. Now, before I finish it off, let's take a look at the ingredient profile. So, we've got vegetable fat in the form of palm kernel oil. We've got maltitol. We've got coconut fat. We've got maltodextrin, which is sugar. We've got soy protein isolate, cocoa powder, natural flavours, soy lecithin, and stevia leaf extract. So straight away there, the palm oil and the maltitol are the main ingredients for this product. So that does give me some concerns, but once again, this is still probably better than a full sugar variety, and if you're trying to sustain a keto diet, this could be a tool used to keep you away from going back to sugar. So let's just finish off this experiment. So there you have it, 50 grams of the Noshu sugar-free baking choc chips down the hatch. I'll wait 2 hours and I'll come back and test my blood sugar and blood ketone levels again. I'll see you in 2 hours. So it's been just over 2 hours since I ate the Noshu sugar-free choc chips. So it'll be interesting to see what the blood sugar and blood ketone level has done. Now, in that 2 hour time period, I felt fine. I didn't have any negative impacts and I've been relaxing, so it'll be interesting to see what the blood sugar and blood ketone levels have done. So firstly, we've got the blood sugar up from 4.6 millimole to 4.7 millimole, so a slight rise there. And secondly, we've got the blood ketones down from 1.3 millimole to 0.6 millimole, so a significant decrease there. So there you have it. For me, on today's activity levels, considering I had the 2 serves of these choc chips, this product is actually ketogenic. And I mean, depending on where your ketones sit, maybe or maybe not this product will be ketogenic for you. But like I always say, you need to test these products on yourself because everybody is different and everybody does react differently. But potentially, this can be a tool to help keep you away from sugar and keep you on your ketogenic lifestyle. But anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next video.